Summer breeze came from the sea. Nighttime dances colored.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to take you for a tour, a short tour. And this time I will show you one of Norway's famous waterfalls, guys. And it so happened that we are just near on this beautiful place. So that's the waterfalls in there. You will get the chance to take a photo under the water. There you will get a panoramic view of the whole community.
Sometimes I feel tired.
Here in Steindalsfossen, it is one of the most popular waterfalls in Norway. Guys, they are so cute. Guys, I'm going up. We are going under the waterfalls. This is one of a kind of waterfalls in Norway that you can actually go under the water. So.
Myself how quickly we've become so far. I don't mind if you don't love me. I don't mind at all. I don't mind
our video, and I hope that you like it, and I hope that you have enjoyed as well. So that's the waterfalls up there and the historic bridge down there. So if you are going to come in this place, I will really recommend that you will see it for yourself on how beautiful it is, this place. See you again in my next vlog, and take care everyone. God bless.